Welcome to this video on the 20 rules of money. If you're looking to build wealth, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll share the 20 essential rules you need to know to succeed financially. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Rule number 1. Understand the true value of money. Money is more than just a piece of paper or digits in your bank account. It is a tool that can help you achieve your goals and live the life you want. But before you can truly use it to your advantage, you must understand its true value. Money is a finite resource, and there are always trade-offs when you spend it. Therefore, it's important to make wise decisions with your money and invest it in things that will provide a return on investment. Rule number 2. Live below your means. Living below your means is a simple yet effective rule for accumulating wealth. The concept is straightforward. Spend less than you earn. If you can master this, you'll have money left over to save, invest, or pay off debt. This rule doesn't mean that you should live like a pauper or deprive yourself of basic needs. It simply means that you should be mindful of your spending and avoid frivolous expenses. Many people fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation, where their expenses increase as their income increases. This results in a never-ending cycle of debt and financial stress. By living below your means, you can break this cycle and start building wealth. Rule number 3. Pay yourself first. If you want to build wealth, you must make saving and investing a priority. One of the easiest ways to do this is by paying yourself first. This means putting a percentage of your income into savings or investments before paying any bills or expenses. By making saving a habit, you can build wealth over time and achieve financial independence. Rule number 4. Create a budget and stick to it. To live within your means and pay yourself first, you need to have a budget. A budget is a plan for your money that outlines your income and expenses. By creating a budget and sticking to it, you can ensure that your money is going towards the things that are most important to you. This will help you avoid overspending and ensure that you're on track to achieve your financial goals. Rule number 5. Avoid debt. Debt can be a significant obstacle to wealth accumulation. Interest charges can quickly add up, making it difficult to get ahead financially. Avoiding debt is crucial if you want to achieve financial freedom. This rule doesn't mean that you should avoid all debt, such as a mortgage or student loans. Instead, it means that you should be mindful of the types of debt you take on and avoid high-interest credit card debt. If you do have debt, make paying it off a priority, and consider debt consolidation or refinancing to lower your interest rates. Rule number 6. Invest in yourself. One of the best investments you can make is in yourself. This means investing in your education, skills, and personal development. By continuously learning and growing, you can increase your earning potential and open up more opportunities for yourself. This can help you achieve financial success and live the life you want. Rule number 7. Diversify your investments. Investing is a great way to build wealth, but it's important to remember that all investments come with some level of risk. It's crucial to invest wisely and avoid losing money. So, before you start investing, do your research, understand the risks involved, and have a plan. One key strategy to minimize risk is diversification. This means investing in a variety of assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. By diversifying your portfolio, you can spread out your risk and increase your chances of success. Investing is a long-term strategy, and patience is key. Avoid investing in something just because it's trendy or popular. It's essential to have a plan and stick to it, even when markets fluctuate. Remember, investing is a powerful tool for accumulating wealth over the long term, but it's important to invest wisely. So, make sure to diversify your portfolio, have a plan, and be patient. Rule number 8. Take calculated risks. Taking risks is an essential part of achieving financial success. However, it's crucial to take calculated risks and avoid reckless behavior. Before taking a risk, consider the potential rewards and the potential consequences. Make sure you understand the risks involved and have a plan in place to manage those risks. Taking calculated risks means that you are making an informed decision based on a thorough understanding of the situation and potential outcomes. You should evaluate the potential rewards and weigh them against the potential risks. This requires you to have a clear understanding of your goals, financial situation, and risk tolerance. When taking risks, it's important to have a plan in place to manage potential losses. This could involve setting limits on the amount of money you are willing to risk, diversifying your investments, and having an exit strategy in place. Rule number 9. Have a plan. Having a plan is crucial for achieving financial success. Without a plan, you'll be aimlessly wandering through life, making haphazard financial decisions. A financial plan should include specific goals and a roadmap for achieving them. It should also factor in your current financial situation, your income, your expenses, and your risk tolerance. Your plan should be flexible and adaptable to changing circumstances. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your plan is essential for staying on track and achieving your goals. Rule number 10. Start early. So, what does it mean to start early? Well, it's all about giving yourself time to benefit from something called compound interest. Compound interest is when you earn interest not just on your original investment, but on the interest that your investment turns over time. Let's say you invest $1,000 and earn 5% interest per year. After 1 year, you would have $1,050, but with compound interest, the next year you would earn 5% not just on your original $1,000, but on the $50 in interest you earned the first year as well. So after 2 years, you would have $1,102.50. That might not seem like a huge difference, but over the long term, it can really add up. The key to taking advantage of compound interest is time. The longer your money has to grow, the more powerful compound interest becomes. Rule number 11. Keep learning. In today's rapidly evolving world, it's essential to stay up to date with the latest trends and strategies in general, in your professional and personal life. By continually learning and staying informed, you can make better financial decisions and achieve your goals faster. Attending seminars, reading books, and following financial experts on social media are some of the ways to stay up to date. Rule number 12. Focus on your strengths. One of the keys to financial success is focusing on your strengths. Identify your skills, talents, and interests, and find ways to monetize them. By doing what you're good at, you can increase your earning potential and find fulfillment in your work. This rule also means that you should delegate tasks that you're not good at or don't enjoy, such as bookkeeping or administrative work. By focusing on your strengths, you can optimize your time and energy and achieve your goals faster. Rule number 13. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. An emergency fund is a pool of money set aside specifically to cover unexpected expenses, such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. It's a crucial safety net that can help you avoid going into debt or having to dip into your long-term savings. To build an emergency fund, start by determining how much you need to save. A good rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This amount will vary depending on your income, expenses, and lifestyle. Rule number 14. Be patient. You see, becoming wealthy takes time and effort. There are no shortcuts or magic formulas that can guarantee success. Instead, you need to create a long-term plan and stick to it. Think of it like building a house. You can't just throw it together quickly and expect it to last. You need to take your time, plan everything out, and make sure every step is done correctly. The same goes for wealth accumulation. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your wealth. It's important to remember that building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay disciplined, stick to your plan, and be patient. Over time, your wealth will grow, and you'll be glad you took the time to do it right. Rule number 15. Give back. True wealth isn't just about accumulating money. It's also about giving back to others. Giving back not only helps those in need but also brings a sense of purpose and fulfillment to your life. Make it a habit to donate to charities or volunteer your time and skills to those in need. Rule number 16. Surround yourself with like-minded people. The people you surround yourself with have a significant impact on your mindset and behavior. If you surround yourself with people who are negative or have a scarcity mindset, it will be difficult to achieve financial success. Instead, surround yourself with people who are positive, supportive, and have an abundance mindset. This will help you stay motivated and on track towards your financial goals. Rule number 17. Never give up. Wealth accumulation is not easy, and there will be obstacles and challenges along the way. It's important to stay committed to your goals and persist in the face of adversity. One key to never giving up is to maintain a positive mindset. Focus on your progress and achievements, rather than dwelling on setbacks or failures. Use these experiences as opportunities to learn and grow, and continue to move forward towards your financial goals. Rule number 18. Prioritize your time and efforts on important tasks that align with your goals. Time is a valuable resource, and how you spend it can have a significant impact on your financial situation. By prioritizing your time and efforts on important tasks that align with your goals, you can increase your chances of achieving financial success. For example, if your goal is to save for a down payment on a house, you might prioritize tasks like increasing your income, reducing your expenses, and researching the housing market to find the right property. On the other hand, if your goal is to pay off debt, you might prioritize tasks like creating a budget, negotiating with creditors, and finding ways to increase your income. It's also important to note that not all tasks are created equal. Some tasks may be urgent but not important, while others may be important but not urgent. By focusing on the tasks that are both important and urgent, you can make the most of your time and achieve your financial goals more efficiently. Ultimately, the rule of money is to be intentional with your time and efforts. Rule number 19. Take breaks and rest when needed to avoid burnout and maintain productivity. Maintaining good physical and mental health is essential for productivity and success in any area of life, including financial success. When you take breaks and rest when needed, you are giving your body and mind the chance to recharge, which can help you to work more efficiently and effectively when you return to your tasks. Secondly, avoiding burnout can help you to stay motivated and focused on your financial goals over the long term. Building wealth often requires sustained effort and persistence, and if you become burned out or overwhelmed, you may lose your motivation and focus. Finally, taking breaks and avoiding burnout can also help you to maintain a healthy work-life balance, which can contribute to overall life satisfaction and well-being. This can be important for maintaining the energy and enthusiasm you need to pursue your financial goals over the long term. Rule number 20. Consider hiring a financial advisor for guidance. Yes, hiring a financial advisor can be a wise decision for those who want to achieve their financial goals and need guidance on making important financial decisions. A financial advisor can help you create a personalized financial plan that takes into account your income, expenses, savings, investments, and other financial factors. They can also provide advice on investment strategies, risk management, tax planning, estate planning, and other financial matters. When choosing a financial advisor, it's important to do your research and select someone who has the appropriate credentials, experience, and expertise to meet your needs. Look for a registered investment advisor (RIA) or certified financial planner (CFP) who has a fiduciary duty to act in your best interests. It's also important to understand how the financial advisor is compensated. Some advisors charge a fee based on a percentage of your assets under management, while others earn commissions on the financial products they sell. Make sure you understand how your advisor is compensated and any potential conflicts of interest that may exist. Overall, A financial advisor can be a valuable resource for those who need help navigating the complex world of personal finance. They can provide guidance, education, and support to help you achieve your financial goals and improve your financial well-being. These are just some general guidelines, but it's important to remember that everyone's path to success is unique, and it's up to you to determine what strategies work best for you. Additionally, success is not always about achieving certain goals or reaching a certain level of wealth or status. It can also be about living a fulfilling and meaningful life, which can involve different priorities and values for different people.